Congrats on the purchase of your all-new Transformer 2 automatic folding scooter by Enhanced Mobility. After removing the strapping bands from the package, simply pull up the box to review the contents. Your first step to unfold the scooter is to pull the red manual release bar. Carefully unfold the scooter to access the battery. Remove the battery and remove and discard the plastic to allow the battery terminals to make connection with the scooter. Turn on your scooter and you will now be able to fold or unfold your scooter with the touch of a button. Next, remove the plastic guard from the armrest receivers. Simply insert your armrests and tighten them down with the tightening knobs. To adjust the positioning of your armrest, use the supplied Allen wrench to adjust the set bolt. And now you are all set to take your Transformer 2 on whatever adventure your heart desires.